Are you starting to notice more fine lines? Or maybe feeling the years catch up a little? Well, what if the secret to turning back the clock wasn't in an expensive cream, but was actually sitting right there in your fruit bowl? Those vibrantly colored purple and red fruits are so much more than just eye-catching. They are absolutely rich in nutrients that actively combat aging right down at the cellular level. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, these fruits protect your cells from damage and help promote a youthful sense of vitality. Let's discover how you can defend your body from the inside out. Number 1. Pomegranate. The pomegranate is like a treasure chest of potent antioxidants that wage a daily battle against aging. It's exceptionally rich in unique polyphenols, most notably collagens, which are powerful compounds found in its juice and peel. Along with a significant amount of vitamin C, these antioxidants work tirelessly to fight oxidative stress, which is a primary cause of cellular aging. This helps your cells recover more effectively from environmental damage caused by things like sun exposure and pollution. Beyond just antioxidant defense, pomegranates also play a vital role in maintaining the youthful structure of your skin. They contain nutrients that actively stimulate collagen production, which is the essential protein that gives skin its firmness and elasticity. By supporting your body's natural collagen synthesis, pomegranates help keep your skin taut and resilient. Over time, this can reduce the development and appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, contributing to a smoother complexion. This remarkable fruit is also a champion for cellular defense and regeneration. The compounds inside pomegranates support the body's natural ability to repair itself, which is crucial for maintaining healthy, vibrant skin. This regenerative support can help in fading skin blemishes, reducing the appearance of sunspots, and evening out your overall skin tone, leaving your skin looking clearer and more luminous. And you know, the benefits of pomegranates aren't just skin deep, they extend to your overall health and longevity. Scientific research highlights the impressive potential of this fruit to slow down the process of cellular aging throughout the entire body. What's more, studies have indicated that regular consumption of pomegranate may even help combat age-related memory decline, supporting your cognitive health and ensuring your mind stays as youthful as your body feels. Number 2. Blueberries. The beautiful deep blue and purple pigments of blueberries are a clear signal of their incredible health benefits. This rich color comes from a high concentration of anthocyanins, a class of antioxidants famous for their ability to protect the body. These compounds are experts at neutralizing harmful free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage cells and accelerate aging. By scavenging these free radicals, anthocyanins also help reduce chronic inflammation, which is a key factor in many age-related conditions. Blueberries are also celebrated for their remarkable ability to support brain health as you get older. The powerful antioxidants they contain have been shown to increase blood flow to the brain, delivering more oxygen and nutrients right where they are needed most. This enhanced circulation can lead to improvements in cognitive function, helping to sharpen memory and enhance mental clarity, keeping your mind active and engaged. The protective power of anthocyanins also extends to defending the body against serious diseases. There's a growing body of evidence that suggests the anthocyanins found in blueberries may offer protection against certain types of cancers. While more research is still needed, these compounds appear to work by slowing the growth and spread of cancer cells, which really showcases their profound impact on cellular health and longevity. And for your skin, blueberries offer a path to rejuvenation and delayed aging. The very same antioxidants that protect your brain and body also work to heal damaged skin cells and shield them from future harm. So, by incorporating blueberries into your diet, you provide your skin tissue with the tools it needs to repair itself and delay the visible signs of aging, like wrinkles and a loss of firmness. Number 3, strawberries. Strawberries are a true vitamin C powerhouse, offering one of the most delicious ways to meet your daily needs for this essential nutrient. And vitamin C is absolutely critical for maintaining youthful, healthy skin because it serves as a primary building block for collagen. As you know, collagen is the protein that gives skin its structure, firmness, and elasticity. So, a diet rich in vitamin C from strawberries helps ensure your body can produce enough collagen to keep wrinkles at bay and maintain a smooth, resilient complexion. But the antioxidant action of strawberries goes beyond just vitamin C, providing comprehensive protection for your skin cells. These berries are also loaded with other beneficial compounds, including ellagic acid and a variety of flavonoids. Together, these antioxidants form a protective shield against the harmful effects of ultraviolet radiation from the sun. This defense helps prevent sun damage, fade existing dark spots, and support a more even and radiant skin tone. In addition to their skin-beautifying benefits, strawberries are also champions for your cardiovascular health. The nutrients and antioxidants they contain, such as potassium and quercetin, play an important role in supporting a healthy heart as you age. Regular consumption of strawberries can help manage blood pressure levels and reduce the risk of developing various age-related heart conditions, contributing to your long-term wellness and vitality. Number 4, cherries. The deep, rich red color of cherries is a testament to their powerful health-promoting properties. The powerful antioxidants they contain have been shown to increase blood flow to the brain, delivering more oxygen and nutrients right where they are needed most. At the same time, cherries are one of the few natural food sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. This combination is a perfect anti-aging duo, as the antioxidants protect your cells during the day, while restful sleep provides that crucial window for healthy cell regeneration at night. Now, one of the most celebrated benefits of cherries is their ability to combat inflammation and its effects on the body. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are two of the main culprits that accelerate cellular aging. Cherries, particularly tart cherries, have been shown to significantly decrease inflammation in the body. This can provide relief from joint pain and stiffness, making them an excellent choice for maintaining mobility and comfort as you age. The advantages of eating cherries also extend to your brain. There's emerging scientific evidence that indicates the unique blend of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in cherries may help preserve cognitive functions as we get older. By protecting brain cells from oxidative stress and reducing inflammation in neural tissues, cherries can play a valuable role in a diet designed to keep your mind sharp and focused through the years. Number 5, red grapes. Red grapes are particularly famous for a unique antioxidant found in their skins called resveratrol. This celebrated compound has been the subject of extensive research and is strongly linked to longevity and healthy aging. Resveratrol is praised for its ability to offer robust cardiovascular protection by supporting the health of blood vessels and promoting good circulation. It also aids the body's natural cellular repair processes, helping to undo daily damage and maintain overall vitality. The benefits of red grapes for your skin are equally impressive, thanks to their rich content of polyphenols. These powerful compounds work to support and stimulate collagen synthesis, helping to keep your skin firm and elastic. They also encourage healthy cell turnover, which is a process where old, damaged skin cells are replaced with new, vibrant ones. This renewal cycle results in a smoother, firmer, and more rejuvenated complexion. Furthermore, Red grapes are instrumental in fighting the chronic inflammation that can silently accelerate the aging process. You see, low-grade, persistent inflammation contributes to cellular damage and increases the risk of numerous age-related diseases. The anti-inflammatory compounds in red grapes help to calm this response at a cellular level, defending your body from within and reducing the long-term risks associated with it. Number 6. Blackcurrants. Blackcurrants are small but mighty berries that pack an incredible nutritional punch. They offer outstanding levels of vitamin C, even more than oranges, which is essential for consistent collagen upkeep to maintain firm skin and healthy connective tissues. In addition to that, they are a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in supporting bone health and density. This is a significant concern for preventing osteoporosis in aging adults. The strikingly dark purple, almost black color of these berries signals an exceptionally high concentration of antioxidants. These antioxidants are the real star players in blackcurrants' anti-aging arsenal. In fact, scientific studies have demonstrated that these specific anthocyanins are highly effective at healing cells that have been damaged by oxidative stress and environmental toxins, thereby helping to slow down the overall aging process from the inside out. Beyond general anti-aging, blackcurrants are particularly noted for their ability to support joint and bone health. Their powerful anti-inflammatory properties can help improve joint flexibility and reduce the stiffness and pain associated with conditions like arthritis. By combining this with their bone-strengthening nutrients, blackcurrants provide comprehensive support for your skeletal system, helping you stay active and mobile as you grow older. Other key purple and red fruits to consider. While our top 6 offer incredible benefits, the world of anti-aging fruits is vast and colorful. Other notable options that definitely deserve a place in your diet include raspberries, cranberries, watermelon, and acai berries. Each of these is similarly loaded with protective antioxidants and phytonutrients that combat cellular damage. For instance, raspberries and cranberries are rich in compounds that support urinary tract health and fight inflammation. Watermelon is not only incredibly hydrating, which is a key factor for plump skin, but it's also a fantastic source of lycopene, an antioxidant that protects skin from sun damage. And of course, the famed acai berry from the Amazon boasts an extraordinary ORAC value, which signifies its exceptional ability to neutralize harmful free radicals and combat oxidative stress throughout the body. How purple and red fruits protect cells. So, how do they do it? Well, the protective power of these fruits comes from a remarkable synergy of nutrients. They are densely packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, flavonoids, and various polyphenols. These compounds work as a team to seek out and neutralize destructive free radicals, which prevents those radicals from damaging cellular structures, including your DNA. This defensive action helps regulate healthy cellular activity and preserves the integrity of your cells for the long term. Many of these fruits are also excellent sources of vitamin C and other key nutrients that stimulate collagen synthesis. As we've learned, collagen is the most abundant protein in the body and is the primary structural component of our skin, bones, and connective tissues. By providing the necessary building blocks for collagen, these fruits help ensure your tissues can repair themselves effectively, keeping your skin youthful and your joints healthy. Finally, a major factor in aging and chronic disease is persistent, low-grade inflammation. The powerful compounds found in purple and red fruits have significant anti-inflammatory properties. They help to calm this inflammatory response at a cellular level all throughout your body. Minimizing this chronic inflammation not only slows the aging process, but also reduces your risk for many of the health conditions that become more common with age. Tips for maximizing benefits. To get the most out of these powerful foods, you should aim to eat a wide variety of different red and purple fruits. Each one offers a unique profile of vitamins and antioxidants, and diversity ensures you are receiving a full spectrum of benefits. For instance, raspberries and cranberries are rich in compounds that support urinary tract health and fight inflammation. Cooking and extensive processing can destroy some of the delicate antioxidants and vitamins, which reduces their anti-aging potency. For example, a fresh berry smoothie is much better than a cooked fruit pie. Also, consider pairing your fruits with a source of healthy fat, like a handful of nuts, a scoop of avocado, or a drizzle of olive oil. This can help your body better absorb certain fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants, boosting their effectiveness. And for the best results, make these fruits a consistent part of your daily routine. Rather than just eating them sporadically, try to incorporate them into your daily meals, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as snacks. This will provide your body with a steady supply of anti-aging support. In the end, richly colored purple and red fruits are truly nature's anti-aging allies. They safeguard your cells, boost skin radiance, and support whole body vitality. Adding these top 6 fruits to your diet can help you harness their protective benefits and defend against the effects of aging from the inside out, promoting a healthier you. If you found these anti-aging fruit insights helpful, please share this article with your friends and family. For more science-backed wellness tips, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter. We would also love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with your favorite purple or red fruit.